Stop buying momos from outside. Today I will show you how to make softy and delicious vegetable momos at home with simple ingredients. Let's get started. First take 1 cup of rava, add salt to taste, little water, mix everything well and grind into a soft dough. Cover it and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Now heat a pan, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil, add 1 small cup of chopped garlic, fry them, two to three chopped green chilies and saute for a 5 seconds. Next add chopped carrot, beans and cabbage. Fry them. Add salt to taste. And stir fry the vegetables on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of Schezwan sauce. Mix everything well and cook for another minute. Take the rested dough and divide into small portions. Roll each portion into the thin circle. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable filling in the center. Fold and seal the edges carefully to make in momo shape. Meanwhile, boil in water steamer. Grease the steamer plate lightly with oil and arrange the momos, leaving a little space between each one. Cover the steamer with a lid and steam the momos for 5 to 8 minutes. Once the cooked, transfer the momos to a serving plate, garnish with finely chopped coriander leaves and serve hot with spicy momos chutney. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Cook or Cooking. Thanks for watching.